Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by locking and listening conditions. Safe master volume and clean monitoring so you hear changes clearly. Once done, load the track and select an EQ preset near the genre to save time. This gives you a reliable starting curve. Next, solo the channel you'll shape and sweep mid and high bands slowly to find ringing or boom. Make small boosts to expose issues, not to finish. These initial actions reveal where corrective cuts or broad boosts belong later. You now move into surgical shaping where precision matters. First, identify problem peaks with a narrow cue and make cuts up to about 6 decibels. This cleans mud and harshness without altering character. Then use wider cue settings for tonal balance and gentle boosts, keeping most boosts between 1 and 3 decibels to retain natural dynamics. Once done, toggle bypass and listen in context with the mix. This confirms your changes help the overall track, not just the isolated step. You finish by polishing, add a gentle high shelf for air or a low pass to remove ultra frequencies, and then set makeup gain sparingly so levels stay consistent. Once done, test the mix on several systems, phones, monitors, headphones, to ensure translation. Make minor trims if something is too pronounced elsewhere. If you hit phase cancellation or thinness, switch to mid/side mode and isolate bands to restore body. One quick troubleshooting tip: reset any suspicious band and reintroduce it slowly to find the culprit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.